Lucknow. Was led across these cities here in Mumbai city. Presenting the influencers. How does it feel? Bathtub mein? Feels great to be here. They've been a part of the Gillette Shave India movement for a while, and all of their views, their thoughts on how they expect men to be clean.
Firstly, good afternoon, everybody, members of the press. It's always wonderful to be associated with Gillette. It's been a long-standing association, and yet again we're here for a culmination of sorts, which says "Shaved is bathed," which I think is really cool, because it's a lot of it is taken for granted. I think women take a lot of time grooming themselves, preening and looking good for their men in their lives, their partners in their lives, not just for themselves. So I think it's fantastic when if men also take that little initiative and can also look a little groomed, and not just me.
Who's present here. Sorry we kept you all waiting, but I'm sure it was worth it seeing Vidyut and Arbaz in bathrobes. At least it's worth it for me. I don't know about you guys. But speaking of first impressions, yeah, I mean, let's not go too far. I think Gillette does a lot of research, and 84% women actually think that guys who shave actually make better first impressions. I have to say that I have to agree with a lot of things that Malaika said. I don't know if I want to go public about whether I'm getting close to anybody in a car, when he's shaved or not, but I know for a fact that I'm not going to get close to anybody who hasn't shaved. It's just, like you said, it's first impressions. It's all of us who think that, bathed is shaved. Like, I heard Malaika say something about a 4 p.m. stubble. Guys don't even have to go really far when it comes to having a bath. You can have your second round of shaving just by, or looking good, just by shaving. And you don't even need to have a bath because you end up looking far more hygienic the minute you do.
The child already is reacting to that. So, and he's mentioned it a couple of times that if you ever come to any of my school occasions, I want you to look nice. And by that he means I don't want you to be, sporting a stubble or, having a beard for that matter. So these impressions are formed very early that what looks nice is a clean-shaven person. He looks like he's probably well-groomed, he's had a bath, or it looks like even as though like my father's just walked out of bed and he's just come to my school occasion. So these have been a few instances with my little boy, and I'm a little conscious and careful of that every time I'm with him, I like to be clean-shaven, and definitely when I'm out with him for any occasion, I'd like to be clean-shaven, yeah.
52 seconds or something we timed. So I can officially say that men who don't shave are lazy.
So as an action star, there is this perception that rough and tough hona chahiye, wo stubble honi chahiye. I mean, but it doesn't. That's what the women will also say. I mean, it doesn't really need a stubble to look, rough and tough or well-behaved or whatever. You can look, you can be clean-shaven and yet have the perception of being an action star. What's your take on that?
See, with me, I started as a negative.
It's because it takes a lot of time.
Exactly.
We're here to prove.
That's what we're going to prove, that it's quick, it's easy, it's convenient. It hardly takes a minute or two. And just like that, within a couple of minutes, you're done. Couples, all done.
Like Malaika has said, Neha has said, and now Vidyut, I've been also associated with Gillette for the longest time and been using their products for a long time. And each time they innovate and they bring something, it is a far superior product.
It's remarkable because, they've got this strip, which is this blue colored, and after you're done with it, it changes its color, which is the most fabulous thing.
The message being shaved is bathed.
Right first? Look there.
मैन हूँ और स्पाइस और जिलेट का एक ही मकसद है कि आप क्लीन शेवन रहें, तो मैं उसको प्रमोट कर रहा हूँ।
मेरी एसोसिएशन बहुत ही ज़्यादा सालों से है जिलेट के साथ। एक ऐसा ब्रांड है which always talks about making men look far more groomed, far more handsome, and it doesn't take any time. And
है और जो एक्सरसाइज है वो अभी भी जारी है और वो कंटिन्यू होता रहेगा। तो दैट इज़ अ वेरी ग्रेट कॉज एंड आई एम वेरी हैप्पी टू बी एसोसिएटेड विद पीएनजी शिक्षा, बिकॉज एक बड़ा नोबल कॉज है जो एक बच्चों को अंडर प्रिविलेज बच्चों को एजुकेशन के लिए एम्पावर करता है।
We feel very happy to be part of Shiksha, where it gives the opportunity to underprivileged children education. और जैसे हमें पता है कि education is a basic need of any child, of any individual, and unfortunately in our country there are lakhs and millions of kids who don't have the opportunity of any kind of education. And then when you have programs like this where they instill education in the children, I think it is fantastic. और हमें बहुत अच्छा लगता है कि we can be part of such a wonderful cause.